Coming up, let's meet vertically integrated Internet of Things solutions provider Synapse Wireless. Please welcome staff engineer and Office of the CTO, Jonathan Heath.
You're watching YBL TV.
Billions of devices are going to be connected to the internet in the next few years. From a total connectivity viewpoint, how are your solutions transforming the Internet of Things?
Synapse is really focused on creating an end-to-end solution, anywhere from the device level up through the software, the gateway devices, the interactions there, up into the cloud, and then into the user interface that presents that data to the customers. And those customers can be varied, anywhere from an executive level or a practitioner level, even within the same organization. So we're really focusing in on four main verticals: food services, solar.
How specifically are your solutions targeting that healthcare sector?
Right now, focusing on tracking patient interactions with staff, tracking staff interactions with things such as washing their hands, extend that into asset tracking itself. So where are the key pieces of equipment throughout the hospital? Being able to show efficiencies. So you not only have the individual activities being tracked and problems identified real time, you're also able to aggregate all that data and get a bigger picture story of how you can make your system more efficient. So from a healthcare standpoint, that could be anywhere from how the nurses are interacting with patients down to how are patients admitted and brought through maybe even an outpatient facility for surgeries. You're really trying to get down to the efficiencies, both real time and then over a trend.
As a leading M2M communications provider, what are some of the driving innovations that you're seeing? Hot trends?
Well, obviously, you get a lot of the jargon terms, big data, data analytics. These are jargon, but they're also very important. When you are taking all these new dissimilar or seemingly dissimilar things, aggregating them together, it's important not just to get the data, but to bring the value out for that data. And if you are talking to different levels of an organization, that means different things. So an executive at a hospital, they're going to be looking at different things than somebody who might be a head nurse or somebody in charge of a unit. It's important to be able to pull from maybe even the same data set and bring value, bring the analytics to it. So that's one of the big trends that's going on. Another is security, and that impacts everybody, regardless of what underlying technology you have, regardless of what industry you're in. So we're seeing a lot and adding that both at the device level when we're talking about mesh networks or cellular networks, all the way up into the cloud, and then how that data is presented to the end user as well. So security is really one of the key pieces going forward.